Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to show you how to make your door handle look black again using WD-40. Now, I don't think this is permanent, but I have WD-40 on my handles for, I don't know, about a week now, and it still looks black. So I guess it does work, but I'm not sure if it's going to last forever. Probably not. But here goes. Just take some tissue, spray a little bit on there, and then you just wipe this down. And that should be that. Hope you can see the difference. I mean, it's already looking much better. Excellent. And it doesn't even feel sticky or anything. Feels like a normal door handle. So now let's test out the black trim. A lot of these cars have this black strip running along the side. It's obviously very handy when you are parking at a tight space, so you don't ding your door. So let's give that a shot. Let's see if that works. Okay, so it's just getting a bit dry now. And I think it does actually work. This is awesome. Let me just leave it to dry a little bit. So that's WD-40 side, and that's nothing. Yeah, I'd say that works. So WD-40 actually works to bring your trim black again. Nice.